Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for my iPhone XR, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video today, yes, I'm going to review this case from SupCase. It's the Unicorn Beetle Pro for my iPhone XR. If you're looking for a heavy duty protective case, then this case might be for you. So stay tuned. I'm going to get into it. Yes, you can pick it up from Amazon. I will have the link in the description. I want to shout them out for actually sending this to me for a review. But bam, there you go. You can see a SupCase. It's actually has a belt clip on there. It also comes with the built-in screen protector. Comes in 3 different colors: black, blue, and you can get pink. The black is $19.99. It is Prime eligible, so you can get it within the 2 business days. Bam, look at that. Alright, nice little presentation from them. Bam, military standard drop protection. If you want to pause it, you can definitely read there too. It has the belt clip. This is the black one they sent to me. Bam, let's see what you get in here. You get a little thank you card. If you want to follow them on their website. Now this is the case that you want. It has the installation guide too. We're going to put this on the side. Check it out. It even comes with a built-in kickstand. So here's the case itself. Now let's try to get this apart. Okay, so I was able to get it apart. It actually tells you where to start peeling it from. But here's the case itself. Hard plastic. Little UB Pro branding there. Little SupCase branding. A little grip on the sides. The Ridge power button. Look at that. Then you have your vine rockers, and then you have this nice little cutout slip for your notification. Bam, lightning cable there, then your cutouts look good. Alright, so let's see. So yes, it does have the built-in screen protector. Yes, it's just plastic. But let's see how this fits. So, you want to put your phone in here first. Then you take this bad boy. Now one thing you don't have to worry about is lip action because you got the screen protector on there. But you just work it around. Work it around. And now this will give you the protection you're looking for. Bam, look at that. Look at the lip action. But you have the screen protector on. The camera cutout looks great. The power button works good. The volume rockers are there. Check out the notification slide. Bam. It's easy to get to. And you can move it. Yes. Bam. There you go. Look at the cutouts at the bottom. Lightning cable. So you make sure that's in there. Let's test out the sensitivity. No problems yet. Let's see. Google. My internet must be slow. Yeah, no problem there either. So the touch sensitivity works good. Let me test out the. Yeah, you can still use Face ID. Bam, and then you have a nice kickstand too. If you want to wash it this way, you can wash it that way. Nice and sturdy too. Then you can put it in your belt clip. Bam, this is a heavy duty case. Like I said earlier, if you work construction, you work outside a lot, this is the case you want to pick up. Now the last thing we like to test for on my channel, will it wireless charge? And look, bam, there you go. You have wireless charging. Okay, so if you want to pick up this Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case from SupCase, I will have the link in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone XR. Until next time, peace. Y'all have a great day now.